Welcome back, friends. In this video, I will be showing you one very useful tool in Excel that is Flash Fill. This tool will save a lot of time by avoiding writing formulas. For example, here in this Excel sheet, there are 3 tasks. From these invoice numbers, you need to extract the invoice numbers only. From this first and last names, you need to combine them in one column. From this product ID and name, you need to extract the product names only. In this case, if you don't know Flash Fill tool, you would start typing the formulas. Stop it. You can do it by simply using the Flash Fill tool. First, in the first cell, manually put the required value. Now, Excel will automatically detect what you're exactly going to do here. Click on second cell. Click on Home tab, go to Editing Group, expand this Fill tool, then click on Flash Fill. And here you see, rest of the cells are filled with required result. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for Flash Fill, which is Ctrl+E. Let's manually put the full name in first cell. Click on second cell and press Ctrl+E. Job is done. Isn't it a great tool? Similarly, in this third example, use the Flash Fill tool to extract product names. If this video was useful, give it a like by hitting on that like button. Consider subscribing this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.